Good morning, Michael. Woo! You're a month old. How do you feel? Well, 2 days ago, anyway. You were talking up a storm earlier. Yep, and you had lots of smiles. Even a little bit of a giggle. Yeah. Oh. So these hiccups are a pain. Yeah. Tell me all about it, bud. I'm all ears. It's all you, buddy. Yep. Got anything else to say, huh? It's like, yeah, I want these hiccups to stop. Make it stop. Oh, that's so sad. Fake crime, but still sad. Pitiful. Pitiful, pitiful. Get the camera off of me, Mom. Okay, I'm sorry. We need to change you anyway. Say bye. Bye.